What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. It's your boy Kedrick, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Tenda Nova mesh Wi-Fi system. And this little thing has been great for me, and I think that it will be good for everybody that wants to get into the mesh Wi-Fi system, and just in case you don't get a good enough signal from one end of your house to the other. This is something you should try, just so you know, just so you get a feel of what a mesh Wi-Fi is, how it works. If you like it, then you go for one of the other big boys if you want. But this one has worked great for me. My router and my Wi-Fi and everything is in the living room. I'm in my bedroom. It was way too far. I couldn't get a good signal in my bedroom, so I bought this Tenda Nova just to try it out, because I didn't want to spend a lot of money and not get a good signal. So I put one in the kitchen, put one in the living room, and I put one in my bedroom. And it's been working very good for me. And if you want to get into the mesh Wi-Fi and what it offers and everything, I think you need to check this out. Don't sleep on this. This is, I think this is the older model, but it works just fine. I think there's a newer version for like $140. This one is like $95. This works perfectly. It works perfectly for what I do. There's a lot of connected things in my house. My smart lights, my TVs, my game console, my computer, all of that. Now, I had to pick up one of these. Why? Because I needed the extra ports that it had on it. This is I'm gonna put the link in the description for all of these things below this video. And the reason why I wanted this is because I have a lot of things that connect to my Wi-Fi, my router, which my smart lights, my hub for my smart lights, my TV, my game console, and there were not enough ports on the Tenda Nova. The Tenda Nova only has 2 ports in the back, one for WAN, LAN. That means it goes straight, that one goes to your modem, and then the other one is just LAN. It's just a connection from one of these to whatever device you want to connect it to. You can connect the LAN from one to another, and then the other to this one, or you could you don't even have to use the LAN, because they bounce off of each other. That's what a mesh Wi-Fi network is. Granted, the speed is not going to be as much as if you actually have all of them connected with the Ethernet cable, but yeah, mesh Wi-Fi. That's mesh Wi-Fi. There are downsides, there are upsides, to having one of these. And I like how simple this is to set up. Simple. This took me less than 5 minutes to set up. I plugged the first one in to my modem in the front and downloaded the app. There's a QR code on the side. You download the app in iOS or Google Play Store, and you set everything up in the app. Just open the app and everything. It's going to find this immediately. As soon as you turn it on, it's going to find this immediately. And every time you plug one of these, it's just going to pop up on the screen, and you just have to connect it, and that's all. There's no tricks. This is the most simple thing that you could ever do. Just plug and play, literally. And another good thing about this is no matter how many of these you buy, you can connect all of them and they're gonna work just as fine. Like, you can have these all over the house. Like, you could probably connect about 9, 10 of these and they're gonna work just fine. So if you're in the market for a mesh Wi-Fi system, just in case you don't get a good enough Wi-Fi on the other side of your house or wherever you want it to be, then you should probably check out the Tenda Nova mesh Wi-Fi. It says whole home mesh Wi-Fi system, but there it is. It's the box, because everything is connected out there already. That's what it looks like. I'm going to put the link in the description below, and also if you need those extra Ethernet cable connect, those ports, this is what I got. TP-Link. All right. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other videos where I do other challenges, I do other reviews, I do, I'm trying to have my. I know it's not a good idea to have your channel with like so many mashups of stuff, but I don't do just one thing. You know, I try to keep it. I try to do a lot of things. That's it. And I'm sorry, but if you have something that you want me to check out, a piece of tech, a challenge, whatever it is, just send me. Just put it in the comments, and I'll check out what you want to say, and then I'll go. Do whatever. So until next time, peace. See you guys around.